Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the matte effect on your selfies on the AirBrush application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on the camera button to take a picture or to the library button to select a photo that you want to edit. Then you should tap on the retouch section down below, which is the second option. Then slide to the right side of the screen until you find this matte button. And all you have to do is selecting your brush size for more precise control. Then zoom in. Tap on the matte button, which is the first one, and brush over the oily and shiny areas on your selfie that you want to make more matte. If you want to erase the changes that you have made so far, click on the eraser button and it will be reset to the original copy. Tap on the checkmark icon to save your changes. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.